This is Autumn Bounty stamp set from Altenew. This is a 6x8 stamp set with 25 individual stamps. Autumn is a time for harvest, thankfulness and togetherness. Honor this special time of year with our Autumn Bounty stamp set. A large pumpkin is surrounded by beautiful flowers for a stunning centerpiece, and we have also included a frame of delicate seasonal leaves. The meaningful sentiments will have you counting your blessings and giving thanks this fall, as well as all year round.
Introducing Fancy Piece Die from Altenew. This is a high quality steel die measuring approximately 1.5 by 3 inches. Promote a message of peace with this stunning sentiment die. This die has been designed to complement our Warm Blessings stamp set, as it uses the same cursive font and stylish flourishes. This die would make the perfect addition to all of your paper crafting projects, be that cards, journals, scrapbook pages, or even home decor.
This is Festive Floral Frame Stamp Set from Altenew. This is a 4x6 stamp set with 6 individual stamps. Add a fun festive floral frame to your next holiday project. This 4x6 set features a 2.5 by 3.5 inch frame adorned with festive flowers. As this is an outline set, the images can be colored with your favorite coloring mediums. The set also includes 5 sentiments to add to your holiday projects.
This is Beautiful Beginner 3D embossing folder from Altenew. This is a 6x6 inch clear embossing folder that will create a 3D embossed design. Take your projects to a new dimension using our 3D embossing folders. This embossing folder features a background of flowers and complements our Begin Your Builder stamp set. Instead of achieving merely 2 levels of embossed texture, this folder will produce a 3-dimensional embossed design to enhance your creations. To use, simply run through your die cutting machine following the manufacturer's instructions for embossing folders with a piece of cardstock within the folder to create a wonderfully embossed 3D image. Introducing Flowers and Leaves 3D embossing folder from Altenew. This is a 6x6 inch clear embossing folder that will create a 3D embossed design. Take your projects to a new dimension with our new 3D embossing folders. This embossing folder features a background of flowers and complements our Dainty Blooms cover die. Instead of achieving merely 2 levels of embossed texture, this folder will produce a 3-dimensional shape design to enhance your handmade projects. Introducing Mega Hello Debossing Folder from Altenew. This is a 6x6 inch clear debossing folder that will create a debossed design into your cardstock. Take your projects to a new dimension with our debossing folders. This embossing folder will create a debossed hello in a stunning cursive font. It has been designed to coordinate with our Mega Greeting stamp set. This debossed sentiment will look stunning on all of your handmade projects, be that cards, journals, scrapbook pages, or even home decor. Simply run through your die cutting machine following the manufacturer's instructions for embossing folders with a piece of cardstock within the folder to create a wonderfully debossed image.
This is Grape Leaf Stamp Set from Altenew. This is a 6x8 stamp set with 19 individual stamps. This set features nature's grape leaves. There are 3 leaves, each representing a unique shape and comprising 3 layers that can be used either separately or in various combinations. Use this set to create beautiful cards with stunning leaves. Create unique fall, spring, or even summer cards with this wonderful set. This is Holiday Flower Stamp Set from Altenew. This is a 4x6 stamp set with 10 individual stamps. Create beautiful holiday cards with the Holiday Flower Stamp Set. Its simple floral poinsettia flower arrangement will instantly create a stunning card. Add one of the holiday sentiments and you are ready for the festive season. This is Holiday Tag Sentiment Stamp Set from Altenew. This is a 6x8 stamp set with 30 individual stamps. This stamp set has 30 stamps, perfect for sprucing up your gift tags. Add a personal touch to your presents with this fun set. Pair it with the Holiday Tag Die Set and create personalized tags for the festive season. You can also use the sentiments on your holiday cards to wish your loved ones a happy festive season.
Introducing Kind Reminder Stamp Set from Altenew. This is a 6x8 clear stamp set containing 15 individual stamps. This stamp set features 3 gorgeous blooms drawn in a whimsical, sketchy style. These are great for colouring, but will also look beautiful stamped as is. This set has an accompanying simple colouring stencil, which makes adding colour to these beautiful blooms quick and easy. There are also 12 thoughtful quote and encouraging sentiments included. These images and sentiments will work well on all different projects, be that cards, journals, scrapbook pages, or even home decor. Introducing Merry Reindeer Stamp Set from Altenew. This is a 4x6 clear stamp set containing 14 individual stamps. Do you want to add an adorable touch to your holiday projects? Well, this stamp set may just be the thing for you. This stamp set is composed of 2 small nature elements as well as a cute reindeer image holding an empty banner. You can then stamp any of the accompanying sentiments to add a message to the banner. This fun image will work for all of your holiday projects, be that cards, journals, scrapbook pages, or even to dress up a holiday gift package. Introducing Poinsettia 3D Die Set from Altenew. This is a high-quality steel die set containing 5 individual dies. This clever die set will be a new favourite for all of your winter projects. Create a stunning poinsettia in no time with very little effort. This set includes 5 dies with detailed score lines for added realism. To create leaves, simply cut any of the petal layers from green cardstock. This poinsettia will look perfect on a holiday card, winter scrapbook layout, or even on top of a special gift or package. We can't wait to see how you use it. Introducing Positive 5 stamp set from Altenew. This is a 6 by 8 inch clear stamp set containing 18 individual stamps. This stamp set features a gorgeous floral sprig of dainty flowers. To add colour, we have included some detailed colouring layers. The flowers have 2 colouring layers which have been grouped together for ease of stamping. The leaves and branches also comprise of 2 colouring layers to finish the look. An array of beautiful quotes and sentiments in a stylish modern font have also been included to add an upbeat vibe to any project. These images will look great on all different kinds of projects, be that cards, journals, scrapbook pages, or even home decor. Introducing Seasons Tweeting Stamp Set from Altenew. This is a 6 by 8 inch clear stamp set containing 27 individual stamps. This stamp set features 2 adorable cardinals, designed in a similar style to our well-loved Birds of a Feather stamp set. Your cardinals can be perched on a branch and hold the banner to easily create a sweet winter scene. Combine with other favourite Altenew products for even more design possibilities. The sentiments in this set celebrate the winter season, but the images can be enjoyed all year round. Introducing Warm Blessing stamp set from Altenew. This is a 4 by 6 inch clear stamp set containing 10 individual stamps. This stamp set features beautifully designed cursive sentiments with a tasteful flourish paired with a complementary serif font. There is also a hand-drawn holly leaf and berries included to add to your designs. Use these to adorn your holiday cards, winter scrapbook albums, or holiday journals. These sentiments will work great on all of your holiday projects. This set perfectly coordinates with our popular Fancy Greetings and Crafty Greetings stamp sets. Warm Blessings is a high-quality photopolymer stamp set made in the USA. For more information and fresh inspiration using Warm Blessings stamp set and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching!